Welcome to this Rise Tek tutorial. Rise Tek Incorporated is an authorized Hans laser dealer. This video covers Hans LaserNest part marking and labeling, step by step. Part marking and labeling. Select a part in the left side part list, right-click, and choose Add Part Identification. Select Mark as the processing type, then set the font and position parameters. The name marking is automatically generated inside the part. You can change the processing type to No Cut. Choose Add Part Identification again, then select Auto Sequence Number. The part automatically generates a serial number corresponding to its order in the part list. Delete the part identification. Select Customize under Add Part Marking. You can enter text manually or insert dynamic parameters such as name, serial number, running number, and quantity. If the marking does not display properly because of an inappropriate font size, adjust the font size range.